Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, the 5th of November 2016, and today is Bonfire Night. Wow! And Tune to Be Next is Closely by Just Read by Just Students Work. Okay, so this is about Bonfire Night. It's because you mustn't talk to violence, because if you get dangerous and you will die, you know. And also be careful, because it will hurt you, because violence makes fire. Go and sit with your parents, okay? Don't go on your own, okay? So it's not very good. It's very dangerous. Parents, it could be hard. So don't go yourself, okay? So we're going